Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best rhinestone makeup is probably one of the most dazzling and transformative ways to elevate your look. Whether you're aiming for a subtle shimmer or a full-on glamour statement, these tiny, glittering gems can be applied to the face and body to create intricate designs, highlight features, or add a touch of unexpected sparkle to any occasion, from festivals and parties to everyday wear, making them a versatile and exciting addition to any makeup collection for those who love to experiment with bold and eye-catching aesthetics. Number 5. 2000 PCS Flat Back Gems Rhinestones Set. Unleash your creativity with this set of 2000 sparkling rhinestones. They come in 6 different sizes, perfect for adding a touch of glamour to any project. This package includes not only a generous amount of clear rhinestones but also essential tools. You'll find a quality tweezer and a pickup pen to make application a breeze. Effortlessly place each gem with the included black tweezer and gem pickup pen. These tools are designed for precision, making your jewelry designs and scrapbooking projects shine. Discover the versatility of 6 different sizes, ranging from 1.5 mm to 6 mm. With 12 grids in the box, organizing and selecting the perfect size is simple. Crafted from quality glass material, these rhinestones feature multifaceted sides for maximum sparkle. They can adhere beautifully to a wide variety of surfaces, from fabric to metal. With 2000 pieces, you have more than enough to decorate everything from nail art and clothing to phone cases and wedding dresses. Let your imagination run wild with these versatile embellishments. What we like. This set offers a fantastic range of sizes, perfect for detailed work. It also comes with helpful application tools, making it easy to place each gem precisely. If you're looking for versatility in your projects and want a complete starter kit, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The rhinestones are self-adhesive and easy to apply, making them perfect for quick makeup looks. They add a beautiful sparkle and dimension to any makeup design, enhancing the overall aesthetic. The variety of sizes and shapes allows for creative and personalized makeup applications. Number 4. Nicpro 4125 PCS Self-Adhesive Rhinestone Stickers. Unleash your creativity with over 4,125 self-adhesive rhinestone stickers. Available in 25 vibrant colors, they are perfect for adding a dazzling touch to any project. These gems come in 3 versatile sizes, 3 mm, 4 mm, and 5 mm. They are ideal for detailed makeup, intricate nail art, and various DIY crafts. Enjoy the convenience of our upgraded self-adhesive backing. Simply peel and stick them onto various surfaces without needing any extra glue. They adhere firmly to skin, nails, paper, and more, yet remove cleanly without leaving any residue behind. This ensures a mess-free experience. Elevate your greeting cards, gift wrapping, phone cases, and party decorations. They are perfect for birthdays, festivals, and everyday creative fun. Crafted from safe, skin-friendly acrylic, these gems are gentle for all your applications. You can confidently use them for face and body art. What we like. With over 4,000 self-adhesive gems in 25 vibrant colors, this pack is incredibly convenient. No glue is needed, just peel and stick for instant sparkle. If you love experimenting with color and want a quick, mess-free application for face, nails, or crafts, this is the pack for you. What people say. The rhinestones are self-adhesive and easy to apply. They stay on well and don't fall off easily. The variety of sizes and shapes allows for creative designs. Number 3. 4488 Pieces Nail Art Rhinestones Kit. Introducing a dazzling collection of 4,488 nail art rhinestones. These versatile gems are perfect for adding a touch of glamour to your nails, clothes, shoes, and bags. Choose from a stunning array of colors, including vibrant colorful, iridescent AB, and classic clear finishes. Elevate any design with these beautiful embellishments. Application is a breeze with the included picker tweezers. Effortlessly place each rhinestone exactly where you want it for a flawless finish. Unleash your creativity with this generous set. Decorate your nails, personalize your fashion accessories, or add unique flair to your crafts. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for stunning decorations. Get ready to transform your projects with a touch of sparkle. What we like. This option provides a beautiful mix of clear, AB, and colorful rhinestones to add dazzling effects. The included tweezers make application a breeze, ensuring you can create intricate designs with ease. If you want a vibrant and shimmering collection with all the necessary tools for immediate use, this is a great pick. What people say. The rhinestones are self-adhesive and easy to apply. They add a beautiful sparkle and glamour to any makeup look. The set includes a variety of sizes and shapes for creative designs. Number 2. 2000 PCS Clear Rhinestones Craft Gems. Unleash your creativity with this set of 2000 clear rhinestones. Perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to your crafts, nails, and makeup. Available in 6 convenient sizes, from 1.5mm to 6mm, these gems offer versatility for any project. Achieve precise placement with the included tools. Crafted from high-quality glass, these flat-back rhinestones provide a brilliant shine. They are ideal for detailed work on acrylic nails and more. This comprehensive kit includes a tweezer and a wax pencil, making application a breeze. Decorate your nails, face, eyes, or clothing with ease. Transform your look with these dazzling rhinestones. They are perfect for adding a professional and glamorous finish to your makeup and fashion. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these gems are easy to use for all your DIY decorating needs. Get ready to shine. What we like. These clear glass rhinestones offer a classic, brilliant sparkle suitable for any project. The set includes a tweezer and wax pencil, ensuring precise application for detailed makeup or nail art. If you prefer a timeless, high-quality crystal look and need reliable tools for application, this is an ideal selection. What people say. The adhesive is strong and lasts all day. Easy to apply and remove without damaging skin. The rhinestones are high quality and don't fade. Number 1. DIY Art Decorations Fashion Rhinestone Stickers. Add a touch of glamour to your look with these dazzling rhinestone stickers. Perfect for eyes, face, and body art, they offer endless creative possibilities. These self-adhesive gems are incredibly easy to use. Simply peel and stick them onto your skin for an instant, eye-catching effect. Featuring a range of sizes from 2mm to 5mm, you can create intricate designs or bold statements. Mix and match for a truly unique style. Enjoy a temporary transformation for parties, festivals, or just for fun. These temporary tattoos are a fantastic way to express your creativity. Made from high-quality acrylic, these glitter crystals offer a brilliant shine. They are designed to catch the light and make you stand out. Elevate your makeup and fashion with these versatile art decorations. They are the perfect accessory for any DIY enthusiast looking to make a statement. What we like. This sheet features pre-arranged acrylic rhinestone stickers designed for immediate application on the face and body. They offer a quick and glamorous way to enhance your festival or party look without any fuss. If you're seeking instant facial adornment and love a dazzling, temporary tattoo effect, this is perfect. What people say. The rhinestones are self-adhesive and easy to apply. They add a beautiful sparkle and glamour to any makeup look. The set includes a variety of sizes and shapes for creative designs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.